Guys, napasok kami dito sa temple. Pasok kami dyan. See you to the next video, guys. Guys, dito pa lang ako sa entrance. Ito yung entrance. Yan. Pasok kami sa loob. Yan. May si Buddha nakahiga doon sa loob. Pero yung dong. Yan, dong. See you next video, guys. Guys, ito yung map niya. Ewan ko kung anong scale ginamit dito. Yan. Kung 1:300 o 1:500. Napakalaki. Yan. For the Buddhists. Dito ako sa loob ng Buddha Temple. Laki.
Painting the story of the Buddha when he was in India, and telling the life of how he get enlightenment, disciple follow him. Buddhist art is about religious, like the Hindu belief, Buddhist belief, cosmology. But Chinese art is about nature, like flower.
Laki niya, oh. Haba. Ito yung mga story, ano ko dito sa pader. Yung magagaling magpaliwanag din.
There's a King Rama III, the one who made the reclining Buddha. He explained the story.
From the foot up to the head. Talampakan. Aray ko, napatid ako. Kita ba? Ito yung kabuuan ng talampakan niya. Nakatalikod na portion. Talikod. Guys, daming pera dito, guys. Napakarami yan. Ito yung buong kabuuan ng unan niya. Likod ng ulo. Another portion from head to toe. Yung lalaki ng isda, oh. Oil. Pasok kami doon.
Hindi mo naman itataas eh. Oo, hindi na ito. Huwag mo itaas. Ano naman?
Hmm.